Okay, so as I was saying, after the next week, right, after the examination preparation, we'll be going into something called the post-exam activity. All right, so for mathematics, we'll be doing something called logic and reasoning, which is quite a interesting part of the lesson. So there will not be any homework. There will just be in-class activity. All right, I'll be conducting it. Can? All right, so I hope to see you then. Anyway, let's just focus on these examination questions first. All right, these questions are also found in, other school papers and all this. All right, hello, Evan. Hello, Wen-Sing. What's up? All right, come. Let's go and talk a little bit about today's worksheet. All right, and usually, you all know me. I always start off with one exam question, one extra exam question. All right, question 12 and 13 is related to the table. Can you please try? No calculator, no calculator. Take out some rough paper and try this question, children. Come. All right, then go to the chat and give me the answer. Go to the chat and give me the answer for question number 12 and 13. All right, no calculator. I don't play cheat. All right, so use the graph paper and do these questions. Very easy, children. I promise you. Evan, can you please try? Let's go. All right, once you get the answer, go to the chat and key in the final answer for question 12 and 13, please. Thank you so much. Yes. Wow, Kayla, that's fast. Fast, are you? All right, I think you use some mental calculation, right? Guess you use some mental calculation, all right, and eventually some estimation skill, and manage you got it. Good job. All right. So actually guessing, right? Guessing the right answer and checking back is also a method in mathematics. Good job. Shiloh, number 12. They're asking you what is the other item, Oh, okay. You give me the money. Okay, so you're right also. You're right. But Shiloh, be careful. They're asking about the item. You're giving me the money. All right, so you must be clear. If not, sometimes the teacher might be a little bit confused. The question is asking for item and you're giving the money. Okay, correct. You're right. Go and do question 13. The rest of you, I'm not seeing your answers yet. All right, so decimals are actually very important. And decimals, we always talk about money. All right, you must know it. All right, so for question 12, I only have Kayla and Shiloh's answer. The rest, Ruben, Wen-Sing, can you try? 加油. All right, so this question is picked up from one of the good schools exam paper. Yeah, I just copy and paste. Also, if the schools are asking such question, you guys better be ready for it. Can? Yes, Ruben, I saw your answer. Your answer is correct, smart boy. Yes, Caleb, I saw your answer also. Thank you so much. Your answer is correct. Okay, and Corinne, yes, very good job. All right, I saw your answer also. All right, so most of you have actually participated in the question 12. All right, your answer is correct. All right, okay, can you please go on to question 13? Question 12, the answer is soccer ball, yes. All right, some of you like to play soccer. All right, so this answer is soccer ball is correct. Most of you got it already, good job. Okay, those who haven't get it right, can you please, all right, at least try to do part B. Oh, yes, Shiloh, I saw your entry. All right, your entry is your answer. Let me see. It is correct. Thank you, Shiloh. Thank you so much.
I did question 13 already.
Caleb, your answer for question 13 is incorrect. And Kayla, your answer for question 13 is correct. Good job. All right, so now we will have Kayla and Shiloh who got it right. Good job. The rest, can you please try? Very easy question. Come on, children. All right, it's not super difficult, really. It's quite straightforward, right? You can do it. Come on.
I will try.
Yes, Karine, I saw your answer. Thank you so much. Caleb, I think you got some careless, you know. Right. $1 off. All right, Ruben, your answer is correct. All right, so again, most of you got it already. Come, let me just quickly go through. Okay, so what is happening is the first answer, many of you write soccer ball, which is correct. And the second answer, I copied Karine's answer, is $24.05. I think she's correct. Okay, come. What is happening, children? Let's take a look at the question. Joel bought a skipping rope and another item. And the total that he paid is $70. This is the total. And children, guess what? Looking at the table, right? You see the skipping rope? The skipping rope is $15.35. So what is the other item? Can you see not? What is the other item? So your total is $70. You need to take your $70 to less out the what? The skipping rope of $15.35. So this question, right, is actually trying to test if you know how to subtract. Remember the decimal point? If the number, right, doesn't have a decimal point, it's always at the back. You put in your decimal point like that, like $70 like that. All right. And your $15.35, you see the decimal point must be in line. And once the decimal point is in line, right, you can do it very safely. You see, the decimal point must be in line. Okay. All right. So you do the normal subtraction. 0 cannot minus 5. Oh, how? Borrow. Oh, yeah. But also cannot borrow. So you have to go all the way to the number 7 to borrow. Though down here, you do a 6, 9, 9, 10. Is a faster way of cancelling. Okay. So 10 minus 5 is a 5, 9 minus 3 is a 6, 9 minus 5 is a 4, 6 minus 1 is a 5. So you are looking for something that is $54.65. Who is it? Who is it? It's actually your soccer ball. All right. So remember, be careful. The question is asking for the other item. So you must write out the item, soccer ball. Can? Please don't write out the price and all this. Can? Have to be super careful. Okay, question is looking for the item, not the price. Okay, so moving forward, is it borrow or caught rename? Rename. Kayla, you want to rename yourself? Is it? You can go ahead. Yeah, I can rename yourself. Okay, the next portion, John. Oh, I love to play badminton. All right, last time when I was in secondary school or in primary school, right, I was part of the badminton team. All right, I don't really play that well, but I love the game. It's very it's very tactical. It's very fun. Okay, so moving forward, how much money did he have left? Oh, he actually used 2 pieces of $50 note. 2 pieces of $50 note is how many? How much money? Sorry. So it's 2 times $50. 2 times $50 is actually $100. Is that correct? All right. So he got $100. He bought a badminton racket. The badminton racket, look at here. Quantity means how many? One badminton racket is $75.95. So how much was left? So you are supposed to take $100 less out the $75.95. Can you see now? It's very simple. Again, this question is trying to test if you know how to subtract or not. So where is the decimal point? Once again, if the decimal point is not there, right, you have to put it at the back. 0.00 like that. Can you see now? Minus 75.95 like that. Okay? Then you let it out. Okay, so 0 cannot minus 5 again. How? Yeah, don't panic. All right, you have to borrow from this one. Becomes 0, 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 5 is a 5. 9 minus 9 is a 0. 9 minus 5 is a 4. 9 minus 7 is a 2. And guess what? The decimal, right? The decimal point must be in line. Can you see the dot? All right. So Caleb, please be careful. All right. Your answer is a little bit different from ours. All right. I think you carelessly minus wrongly. All right. So children, please remember one thing. All right. In your mathematics, right? Plus, minus, times, divide. These 4 operations, you cannot afford to make mistake. Right? You cannot afford to make mistakes. Right? It's very simple. Come on. Right? If you are in doubt, you can always use the what? Long subtraction or long addition or long division or long multiplication to assist you. So no error, no error in plus, minus, times, divide. All right, train yourself, right? Because you're talking about math, you cannot afford to make all these silly mistakes. Seriously, they are silly. All right, so please, you must be able to be strict on yourself. All right. So primary 3, right? Once you start to avoid all these careless mistakes, I tell you, primary 4, primary 5, primary 6, right? You will be very strong. You'll be stronger than who you are today. All right. Hello, Jane. Welcome to lesson. All right. So we have finished the extra question. Let's go into the lesson proper. Is that okay? Are you ready? You must say, yes, I am. Okay. Come.
Yes, I am.
Oh, very good. Okay, come. Let's go. Okay, so this is actually found in the worksheet. This time around, right, there is a couple. Oh, there's actually half the class who have
Hello.
actually there's actually half the class who have actually attempted the worksheet. Good job. Good job. All right. At least half the class attempted the worksheet. Good job. All right. And this question, some of you make a mistake. Huh? All right, Caleb, is that you?
Fish rows.
Okay, so down here, right, half of you actually attempted the worksheet, but there are still some carelessness, huh? Right, Shiloh, can you please look at this question again? Right. All right, can you please look at this question again? Yeah, because inside your worksheet, right, you I think you carelessly make this wrong. But your answer I saw. Now you put answer is B. Smart girl. Right, you see, you seems to be can do. You can do it. Right, you can do it. Right, so just try to avoid all this carelessness. How? Make sure you check your answer over and over again. You are very smart. You know how to do it, one, Shiloh. So please, just avoid the carelessness. Or just be careful. Right, you're okay, one. So down here, right, they are looking for what? 3958 is 100 more than what? Okay, children. This type of question, right, I like to call what? I like to call E to M. E to M. What is E stand for? English. English to math. So you are supposed to do some translation, children. Right? So 3958 is just 3958. It's a number itself. Do you know the meaning of is? Is equal to. Right? Is means equal. 100. What does 100? 100 means 100 lah. What is the meaning of more? More means plus lah. Then this line is the question mark, right? It's down here. So can you see not? You successfully translate the English to mathematics. Woo! And this type of question, my advice to you is always start from the back. All right, if you watch the video, right, of this type of question, all right, I always say start from the back. Okay, so I'll be asking myself, what plus 100 equal to 3958? What plus 100 equal to 3958? So this portion here, I need a smaller number. All right, I need a smaller number, correct or not? So that when I plus 100, it becomes 3958. So how do you get a smaller number? I need to take 3958 to actually less out 100. Right, you can actually try out to see whether it works or not. So it's the answer 3858. Okay, now you put back into the statement, put back into the line. 3858 plus 100. Is it equal to 3958? Correct. Good job. That's why answer is B. Understand or not, children?
I got the whole worksheet.
Right, so this type of question, right? This type of question got method one, got tactic one, all right? And the tactic I told you before, all right? You have to go and watch the video, which I tell you to watch, all right? And it's something called E to M, English translate to mathematics, okay? I call this type of question more or less, find the equal. Find the equal, start from the back.